Built on 15 years of AR innovation and technology, Workforce 4.0 is the most effective indoor positioning and asset management solution for your business. For a roughly 10,000 square meter production area, setup is implemented in less than 8 hours. No more wasting time or resources on inefficient workflows and outdated systems. Reach your ROI in under a third of a year with one license. Once positioning system is set up, easy management of routes and all navigation-related topics is done through Insider Navigation. Once navigation is set up, it is easy to locate assets indoor and outdoor within a few seconds. Easily add any info, documents, and view live IoT data. Locate and manage your uploaded indoor and outdoor assets now in seconds, effortlessly. Insider Navigation gives you a complete overview of your operations, with detailed reports and analytics that help optimize your efficiency and accuracy. Reduction in unplanned downtime, increased output, reduced onboarding time, overall cost savings. Get ready to experience the power of Workforce 4.0.